Hey everybody, this is going to be a video review of the X Protector Clever and Easy Premium Usable Sliders. So I'm going to show you how these things are used. I have a different brand of slider that's a piece of junk. That's why I bought the X Protector. The advantage of having a slider is that you can slide furniture across carpet. Now these are made, it does say, I believe, that it's made for, I don't know if these were made for carpet or for flooring. Let's see, what does this one show? Safe and easy. This might be strictly for flooring. So normally you have a plastic piece that slides on the carpet and you put your furniture or whatever you're moving on top. Let's go see if this is going to slide. This is not easily going to slide. So I don't know if this is going to work moving something on a carpet like the plastic ones. I'm going to find out in a minute. This is a review channel. So if you need something reviewed, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. Do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share. Make sure you leave a comment. And like I said, I do reviews, so if there's something that you want reviewed, if I can get a hold of it, I will do a review. I'll do an honest review. And as far as this item now, I bought 2 packages. Most of my place is carpeted. It is not hard floor, so I don't know if I'm even going to be able to use this, or if I'm going to have to send it back, but we're going to find out. So how does it slide? It seems to do okay on a carpet. This side definitely does not slide on the carpet. This side does slide on the carpet. Do the instructions even show? It says for hard floor, and it says for carpet. So this is obviously going to be for the carpet, and this is going to be for the hard floor. So maybe this is going to work. The reason I bought this is when you're moving things, you can buy these things that are like 3 inches, 2.5 inches. I've got one right now I'm looking at that's about like 4 or 5 inches square. But I wanted to give the X Protector a chance. Most of what I have now, I keep under the furniture so that when I do vacuuming, I can move the furniture around and get it away from the wall. So it makes a lot of sense if you're going to buy these things to buy extra. I know it doesn't look that great to have your furniture sitting on these pads, but once you put it in there, nobody's going to care, no one's going to comment, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. So let's test it out now. This place is an absolute mess. I'm going to be moving the piece of furniture to the corner of my room. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm just going to show you, does this work, and if it does, how well does it work? So let me get everything set up. It is. I've got it on the floor right now underneath the furniture. These things smell. They have just a terrible odor to them. I'm assuming it's from the adhesive. They probably glue it together and then pack it in the container, and it stinks. This is normally what I use. This is a massive slide thing that I've been using for years, and they hold up really well. They're plastic, so they slide across the carpet. Nothing falls off of them, and they work. And they're not that expensive. So let's see what happens with the X Protector. Again, it's made for the floor or the carpet. If you have this, like I'm looking right now, I've got that one with the black up, and I've got that one over there with the black down. It's not going to slide. Everything's adjusted right now. So again, I like these things. They're big, they slide, they're easy, they last forever. I like this. It looks beautiful, and it's not going to be noticeable. If you have it set up in a nice furniture setting in a living room or something. The only thing I don't like is look at the difference between the sizes. So this thing I'm going to be moving, it's a table. It weighs about 40 pounds, 30, 40 pounds. And there is no way to slide this across the floor without having sliders. So I'm just going to move this right now. I haven't even done it. I'm going to move it on camera, and we're going to watch and see, does this thing work? Let's try to get a better angle. Get an angle of both of these over here. And I'm just going to take my hand over here and I'm going to push it down. Again, I said this is like 30, 40 pounds. And we'll see how this works. Is this going to work? I'm not going to show you me moving this across the room to where I need to locate it, because there's just too much junk to move around now. But is this going to work? Or does it go back in the package? It's gripping on the carpet really hard. Let's grab it. I think these would be much better on a wooden floor. I'm checking the other side now. And the reason we're not moving is because the other one slid off. So that is where the problem is. And why did it slide off? I don't know. Let's go prop this thing up now. I want to give this a fair test to see how it works. The one thing you have to do with sliders is you have to have the ability to be able to raise whatever you're moving up off the ground so you can slide it. Now we're going to be able to give this a fair test. Let me get the one hand over there. You can see both sliders. Let's get the thing and let's see. Is this going to move across the carpet easily or is it going to be difficult? Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Check that out. How incredible is this? Let's get over there. Let's grab the other handle. Oh, the thing almost fell over on top of me because let's move it. Let's see how it moves. Okay, I don't like that. I do not like that now. This is gripping on the carpet. As you can see, it's gripping on the carpet. Whoa! Whoa! This is dangerous right now. You see how it's sliding off of there? That does not make me happy. And I'm going to show you the difference between the other one that I have. I was really hoping I was going to be able to keep these because these are awesome looking. Okay, I just put the plastic one on that I've had for years. Picked it up like about $4 for $20 or so, and the X Protector is a much better price, but I'm going to put my hand on here right now with the plastic one, and let's see what it does. Look at that. That's what you want. Not gripping on the carpet. No problems at all. Plastic even slides on wood floors. So, I am sorry that I'm not going to be able to keep these because I really wanted to keep them. I had a lot of hope for these, but this is just not going to work. It's not going to work on carpet, I will tell you, and it does. When the black is on there, it doesn't slide at all on hard, but with the felt on there, it slides on the. Okay, so the brown down on a wood floor, it would definitely work. Brown on carpet. Brown on carpet, it doesn't work. Let's try this. Let's give it a try. Let me go put the black on the bottom and we'll see what happens. Let's be fair here. Maybe I don't need to return these. How is this going to work with the black on the bottom? Whoa, that's dangerous. All right, that's going to be my review of the X Protector. I really think on a wood floor, these would be incredible to have. On carpet, they just do not work the way I need them to work. So I'm going to box these all up and ship it back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and hey, that's it. I just wanted to show for the end of the video, I've got the 3 plastic ones back underneath the furniture, the table. And you can see the one over here in the front, one at the back. I've got one on the left side. This is how these are supposed to work, where you're able to barely touch this thing and slide across the carpet safely without worrying that something is going to tip over because it gets caught on the carpet. So, yeah, and there's even one missing from the container. Go figure that out. So, wood floors, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's going to work perfectly. On carpet, do not buy this. You're probably going to have a lot of problems with it.